need to have a day off where we can just go and have some fun. I'm going in. Are you coming in? I'm really scared of heights. Like, I really am scared of heights.
Oh, the wind's howling. Woo! We're getting the spray up.
Oh my God. Subscribe to the channel as we sail this old girl around the world.
After 72 days of Nandji on the hard stand, we are finally back in the water where we belong. It had been a grueling couple of months working on Nandji every day, but floating once again, it feels awesome that we've been able to repower and upgrade our lovely little floating home.
So Yosh and I feel like we need a day off tomorrow, so we need to have a day off where we can just go and have some fun and explore and be tourists. We'll see how we go.
We're gonna have fun.
Yeah! We're gonna have some fun.
Tools down.
Good morning. How are you feeling, Yosh? You got some sleep?
Kettle.
So it's 7:30. We're gonna hire a car today, and the car hire place doesn't open until 9, so we still have a bit of time. But the sun's just come up over the hills this morning, so I'll show you that it's beautiful outside. Wow, good morning. So we're gonna go up there. Good morning, Marley. What you doing? Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Oh, you're the cutest. It is nice and sunny outside, but because we're near the equator, there's only 2 seasons here in Malaysia, the dry season and the wet season, and we've just been through the dry season and it's sort of changing into the wet season now. So we have to be very careful to make sure we close all the hatches and the windows despite what the weather looks like, because it can rain at any moment. Yosh is going to hire us a car and then he's going to come and pick us up. So yeah, hope you get a nice one. Yeah, this is the ride.
This is the whip for the day, a little red rocket.
Alright, let's go. 25 ringgit a day, so 15 Aussie dollars. Pretty cheap. And what's the condition of the car, Yosh?
We got a red light saying that it's cactus, the gearbox is shaking, the aircon cranks.
And the brakes?
Oh, we got no brakes.
Yeah, let's see where this road goes.
There's clouds up in the hills, it might be rain.
Yes, waterfalls! 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 I think I forgot my bikini top today. I've got my bikini bottoms on, but I think I forgot my top, so I might have to go in my bra.
Tits out for the boys! 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 Woo!
We're here. There's a waterfall here. There's a waterfall up here. There's just too many dogs here. We're outnumbered. Yeah, I don't really feel safe kicking around with like 6 stray dogs around us.
So this is a Hindu temple on Langkawi. No one's around. It's like it's forgotten about, it's just where the stray dogs live.
We need to take Marley man for a run, so he's gonna check this place out and see if he can run around on the beach here. Get the little guy out. Hey buddy, sorry mate. Looks alright for Marley man, there's not many people around and there's a big empty beach.
Just got to be careful out there, humans. Some big powerful waves with them strong undercurrents. Whippet's probably the smartest one out of all of us. That's the spot, son. That's the spot. Not sure you got enough sand on you yet, mate.
Are you coming with us? Because I don't know how we're going to put you in the car like that, Marley. Over? Over? Coconut shake, mango shake, carrot shake. May I please have a coconut shake?
Yeah, 2.
2 coconut shakes, sorry. Yes. Oh, this is so good.
I've got a cold headache already.
Oh, best decision today was the coconut shake. Coconut shake for the win. It's a good life choice.
We're hoping, because as we were driving up here, there's rain, there was puddles all over the ground, and it looked really wet. As we've come around the corner, I think it was raining on the other side of the hill, not this one. This looks like a desert pool. Oh, it's massive, but it's not exactly got much water dripping down the side of it.
Here's the top. I'm going in. Are you coming in?
Make sure you put your head under the waterfall.
Swimming and stuff?
A waterfall.
Beautiful.
The best waterfall I've ever been in. What a waterfall.
Imagine if it was flowing. Look how beautiful that would be. Huge waterfall. Langkawi is the tourist island of Malaysia, so there's lots of tourists that come here. There's a place called Pantai Cenang, and you walk along the street there, and there's just people from all around the world. Like, it's really cool.
Langkawi has tourist attractions all over the place. It's all man-made. We go into the #1 dominant of their little creativity is this cable car that goes up the mountain, and they've built this bridge in the air. I'm pretty sure it's glass, and you're a long way up. People are afraid of heights, they don't really do this.
That's me. I'm afraid of heights.
So it should be interesting.
I'm someone that's afraid of heights that makes myself do things with heights so that...
Because you're tough.
I just go, Everything sky is that way.
The lineup's really small, so hopefully we've got our own.
Yes!
Sit on the outside, block them all. Don't let them in.
Shut the door, shut the door! I'm really scared of heights. Like, I really am scared of heights.
You've never been on like a snow lift or anything like that, have you? A ski lift?
No. There's no air conditioning in here, but it's okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. This is awesome. Oh my god, look at that.
It's very hot in this little gondola. I forgot to turn the aircon on. Oh, the wind's howling. Woo! We're getting a spray
Oh my god.
Woo!
Don't! Stop moving!
You gonna hang on to you?
It's a bit wobbly when you go over this bit. Oh, don't! Don't! Oh my god, I'm just fully wigged out.
Bit of wind up here.
We made it to the top. It's such a beautiful view from up here. I'm so glad that we've done this.
Yeah, it's well worth the effort. It's only halfway, so we still got like the sky bridge and everything where we can look out the other way.
Yeah, but we just stopped off here at the observation deck to check it out.
One of the trip.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
So beautiful. Glass is curved, so it's like yeah. A door!
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to last station.
Thank you. We're like up above the clouds. So cool. So beautiful.
You okay?
The air's so thin up here, I can't breathe. I need oxygen.
That's why I love you.
Even though the day was a little cloudy and impeded on our views, the clouds made for a beautiful sight themselves. We watched on as the cable cars came and disappeared into the clouds. We could just see the little speck of Nandji safely at anchor in the Talaga anchorage down below.
The sky bridge was built on top of Cenang Mountain, 660 metres in the sky and 100 metres above the jungle below. It was a long, tedious walk down the hill and I dreaded the return uphill slog. But we had to make the effort to cross the world's longest free-span curved bridge.
I haven't been up in a cloud. Have you been in a cloud before?
I'm always in the clouds, love.
The bridge in the sky. The sky bridge. Oh my God, that looks so not original. But yeah, we're pretty high up now. Goodness. Wow, don't think about that too much.
Good old gully breeze.
Yeah.
I'm really feeling up my skirt.
Walking across the sky bridge was a pretty cool experience and we're glad we did it. But dealing with the hungry security guards at the other end proved a little difficult for some.
Oh my God, the monkeys are going. Oh my God.
My sweet chariot home. I don't know if you just saw, but I don't think he did. But I just walked up like 250,000 stairs. My legs aren't built for that sort of business.
Are they built for this?
Sure are.
So what's now? What's the plan now, Yosh? The acoustics in here is incredible.
It is, isn't it? I sound amazing. I actually do, eh?
What do you want to do now?
Beer. I think we meant a beer.
The man has spoken. It's crazy to think that it's 6 o'clock at night at the moment. We're ready and waiting for the sunset.
I think we said we're
I think we're a bit early actually. So we're at this little beach bar. It's really cute. It's a really nice place. The whole thing's made out of wood. Place Langkawi is. We've been there for 3 months and hadn't had a look around, so we're so happy that we did that, and it was so beautiful on top of the hill in the clouds. I loved it, absolutely loved it. Big thank you to our patrons for making these videos possible. A big shout out to Michael, Mike, Marcel, Josh and Doug for upping your pledge as well. Thank you guys so much for keeping us filming and floating. And a big shout out to Todd and John who have chucked some in the PayPal as well. Legends, thank you so much. So Yosh isn't with me at the moment. Last night we had our big Sumatra squall roll through and we were up on the deck in the rain, and for some reason this morning he's come down with the flu or a cold or something like that. So he's got a face for voiceovers today. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We've got some big adventures coming up and we want to bring you along with us. So hit that button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. We might be out of the boatyard, but we still have lots of boat jobs to do.
Whenever we're under sail, we always use Rob Dog, the hydrovane. That bad boy, it performs better than everything and anything, and it doesn't chew up any power. So we're basically only installing this thing for when we're motoring. We may be out of the boatyard, but the boat hasn't left the yard. Just finishing off the bow now though. I'm just taping it all off and we're going to lay down Kiwi grip. Afternoon bath.
Thanks.
Oh,
It's pretty cool. Oh.
Yeah, we'll get through. Stay low.
Say hello, Marley.
Wow.